tribe, welcome back to the channel. If you just stumbled on this video, let me take a second to introduce myself. My name is Joanna, you can call me Yo. I do videos on fitness, nutrition, and supplements, and every now and then I like to throw in a fun vlog because you gotta spice up life, you know what I mean? Welcome back to Wealthy Facts, where I share facts with you about fitness, nutrition, or supplements under 5 minutes or less. Now, this video is really important to me, so I think it might be over 5 minutes, or I might make it into a 2-part video. We'll see. Today we're going to discuss how and why to set fitness goals. The first thing we're going to discuss is why. Why is it important to set a fitness goal? Why can't I just jump on the elliptical and just lose weight and just get it done that way? Let me tell you why it's important to set fitness goals. This is something that is really extremely so close to my heart because I wasn't successful with my fitness and nutrition goals until I actually set goals. First, before we discuss how to set fitness goals, because I am going to walk you through that whole process to make it as easy as possible for you to achieve your goals. First, we're going to discuss why it's important to set fitness goals. The first reason, if it's not obvious enough, I actually saw a quote on Facebook, I think about 3 years ago, and when I saw this quote, it just resonated with me. I just saw it and was like, yeah, that's true. So the quote went something like this: a goal is just a dream until it's written down. And that's 100% right. If you don't have a plan to achieve that goal, then guess what? That's just a dream. That's all that is. It's extremely important that you have a process to achieve that goal, because otherwise it's just fantasy. Anything I've achieved in my life personally, I've always written down and I've always made a plan of action to get that goal. So the first reason is because it's just a dream. I'm sorry, but that's the real reality. It's just a dream until you write that goal down. The second reason, and this kind of goes into the first reason, is if you have a goal, how are you going to achieve that goal? Because again, it's just a dream unless you write it down. You need to have a concrete plan of action to achieve that goal. There's a reason why in school they teach us we need to set 3, 6, and 9-month goals, or 1-year goals, or 3-year goals. There's a reason why successful business owners set 5-year business plans. There is a reason why people do this, and it's the exact same thing in fitness. If you want to achieve goals in nutrition, fitness, overall health, then you need to have a plan of action in place. The third reason why it's important to set goals is because by achieving the little steps the little goals that you make for yourself on a daily basis, you will feel accomplished. Maybe your goal is go to the gym 3 days a week. Well, when you actually achieve that goal, you're gonna feel so good about yourself. Losing weight, especially if you have a lot of weight to lose, is a huge challenge. And looking at a number, say for example, let's take myself for example. My goal is to lose 40 pounds. That might not seem a lot to some of you. That might seem a lot to some of you. To me, it's a big goal. 40 pounds is a lot, right? So just looking at 40 pounds, it can be overwhelming. So how do I break it down for myself? Well, I make it easy. So I tell myself I want to lose 1 pound a week from now until December, which is totally feasible. It's totally realistic. It's roughly about 4 pounds a month. But by doing that, it makes it easier to accomplish my goal because I'm not looking at it as 40 pounds. Now I'm looking at it as 1 pound a week. I'm making it more realistic. And then every time I do go to the gym and every time I do lose a pound, hey, high five to me because I just accomplished something. And it makes me feel good because I'm one step closer to that goal. The fourth reason why it's important to set goals is because it reminds you why it's important. Why you started this journey, why you're doing this. It reminds you all of the bigger picture of what you're trying to do with your life and how you're trying to better your health. Let's face it, we all lose motivation. It happens. Hey, it happens to me too. It just happens. You're not gonna be 100% motivated every day. It's just the reality. It's us, human nature. The best way for us to keep motivation and dedication to our goals is by seeing them written down somewhere. I heard a really popular fitness YouTuber say this, and it made such a huge difference in my life. She said, it's not about motivation, it's about dedication. And I couldn't agree more. Are you dedicated to your goals? Are you dedicated to losing maybe those 40 pounds? Maybe your goal is to put on 40 pounds of muscle. Maybe your goal is to be able to do 10 push-ups. Maybe your goal is just to be able to go to the gym twice a week. Maybe your goal is to lower your blood pressure. Whatever your goal is, it's important that you're dedicated to that goal. And the best way to be dedicated is to remember the reason why. Because motivation is gonna come and it's gonna go, but we need to be dedicated to our goals. And the fifth, and I think probably the most important reason why we need to set goals is because it keeps us accountable. So let me tell you a little story about me. I'm 29 years old. I have worked out with 4 personal trainers in my whole life. I was probably in the best shape of my life when I was 22 or 23 when I got my first personal trainer. Every single time I've worked with a personal trainer, every single time I've gotten into amazing shape. Why? Because they kept me accountable. They had a goal for me. They had a plan of action. So it was really easy. I just showed up to the gym. I did what they told me to do and done. I got into great shape. But what happened after every single time I stopped with those trainers? Well, I put the weight on. And the reason why? Because I didn't have a plan and I didn't keep myself accountable to my goals because I didn't even know what they were. It's important you write your goals down, you create a plan to achieve those goals, and you keep yourself accountable. And you'll keep yourself accountable by seeing those goals written down and remembering why you want to achieve those goals. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was really short, but I just really wanted to emphasize why it's important to set your fitness goals. Because without doing that, I'm sorry, but you're just not going to achieve your full potential of what you can be in the gym or with your health. Now that we discussed why it's important to set goals, make sure you stay tuned to tomorrow's video. Yes, that's right, I'm releasing another video tomorrow. Those who follow me, you know I release videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, but I'm releasing a special video tomorrow, the second part to this video on how to set goals. So I'm gonna walk you through step by step. You're gonna sit down with me and we're gonna set my goals so that you understand how to set your own personal goals. I truly believe that health is wealth, and all I'm trying to do with these videos is help you on your journey to health and living a healthier and the best life that you could possibly live. So make sure you subscribe to become part of the Wealthy Tribe. Make sure you hit that bell so you know when my videos go up. Again, guys, thank you for watching so much. I appreciate the support. And from the bottom of my heart, with lots of love, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my videos tomorrow. Remember, you're gonna have to subscribe so that you can watch the second part of this video. Okay? Peace out.